A verb, un verbo, is an action word. It is something that you do. Remember when I told you about definitions? It's going to be really important to know the difference between a noun, an adjective, a verb, because these words act differently. Today we're going to be talking about the way verbs act. In English, the infinitive of a word has to in front of it. Ejemplos are I want to buy, I need to study, I like to eat. To buy, to study, and to eat are the infinitives. In Spanish, the infinitive or el infinitivo of a verb will either have AR, ER, or IR at the end of it. Here are some examples. Tener, necesitar, and vivir. ER, AR, and IR. These are the infinitives. In English, to is in front of it. In Spanish, they end one of these three ways. When a verb is used to talk about someone or something specific, it is conjugated. This is a big word, this is a big word for apply or manipulate or change. So you could think of this as just changing the verb to match the person doing the action. Okay, so the infinitive down here, necesitar, means to need. But if I want to say I need, I have to change that to necesito. This should look familiar to you. If you want to say you need, you change it to necesitas. And to say he or she needs, you change it to necesita. All right, we are going to combine conjugated verbs, which are the A verbs, and infinitives, which would be the B verbs, to talk about things that we need to do or want to do or like to do. A verbs are conjugated. Go ahead and write that in right here. And here are A verbs. Necesito, necesitas, necesita. You should be looking at these charts and saying, ooh, I remember a worksheet like that, or I remember my flashcards like that. Querer, to want, is going to be quiero, quieres, quiere. And then gustar, to like, is going to be me gusta, te gusta, le gusta. All right, these are the major verbs that we're going to be using this section. B verbs are simply infinitives or infinitivos. Those verbs are not going to be conjugated or changed or manipulated. Okay, let's look at the B verbs. If you want, you can push pause now and fill in your worksheet. To buy is comprar. To know, conocer a. Encontrar is to find. Hacer is to make. Ir a is to go. Organizar is to organize. And poner is to put. The verbs with the star by them are going to have a follow them. So conocer a or ir a. Anytime you use these infinitives, you have to put the a with it. Kind of like what we did with the third person in le gusta. We had to put a so-and-so, etc. Le gusta. All right, we'll continue with apuntes 2-3 later. Please go ahead and continue your homework. Use the video guide to help you. Adios.